finally found another Porsche Carrera Kroger exclusive. You know how long it took me to find this? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm the Mustang Hunter, but if you want to check out all my other content, check the description box. I'll post my playlist for my peg hunting videos as well as my Free It Friday, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully become part of the Mustang Hunter family by clicking that little bitty subscribe button down at the bottom. That way you can stay tuned for all future content as well as those Free It Friday videos. So guys, as you saw in the title as well as the thumbnail, it is a mail call, but I also went peg hunting and I ended up finding these super clean Dodge Viper RT10s from the Matchbox Retro series. Super clean in the dark metallic blue with the white racing stripes. No tampos for the headlights or tail lights. So very basic but super clean at the same time. I've been seeing people post about this and I was really wanting to get my hands on one. I had a guy holding on to one for me, but I think I can just let him pass that on to someone else. I did pick up two. There was three on the pegs, but I left one. I picked up one for myself and then one for a trade, or if someone I know doesn't have one, I can swap them with one or just gift it away. You guys know how I am. I like to throw in a bonus to fellow collectors or whoever needs one. I did end up picking up this 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7 last weekend for the ID in this really nice Spectra Flame teal. It is really clean. I definitely love the convertible and the color as well. I do love the Spectra Flame color. So this one's going to go right up here with all my other IDs I have. I know Emery's got his eye set on my Acura NSX. I'll find you one, don't worry. I've actually seen a couple in the wild, but I haven't seen some in a while. The only ones common that I see now are the taxis, which I'm not a huge fan of. And I definitely want to find the Falcon ID Mustang. But yeah, I did end up finding another Miura SV after I sent it to you, Emery. You already know that though. The next one is the 70 Ford Escort RS 1600, which is in that really nice Spectra Flame blue with the white tampos for the doors. Much like the one that you see into the Fast and the Furious pack right here. But of course, how can you compare Spectra Flame ID car to that? Still clean, I do like it, but the Spectra Flame ID series just looks very nice. So I get to throw that one up there because I do have a few Escorts in my collection. So my ID cars are growing. I do have some really cool ones that I did not want to pass up, like that Audi R8 I haven't really seen much of. The NSX is kind of hard to find. Actually, most of these are pretty hard to find, really. And today on my lunch break, I finally found another 96 Porsche Carrera for the Kroger exclusive. So I had posted this on my Instagram. I did a trade with Nate, which I've talked about in previous videos, as well as mail call videos of our trades. He wanted the Kroger exclusives, which were the Porsche, the white Corvette, and the baby blue Maverick, which is that variation right there. I threw that in there thinking that I was going to be able to find more, because at the time there was literally about 25-30 of these in my fries, and I was like, yeah, I'll give it away and then just go pick up another one. Well, as my luck turned out, there was no more, and I haven't been able to find any whatsoever. Every fries I went to like 6 or 7 different fries for the past maybe month and a half and could not find that one. Of course, the Maverick and the Corvettes are everywhere, but the Porsche was hard to find, so that one kind of threw me off. Let's get to the actual point of this video, and it is the mail call from Emery over at AFOL Man. Check out his content as well as his Instagram. He has a huge collection of Legos and does amazing things with those, as well as some Hot Wheels. So check him out. Go give him support. Let him know Mustang Hunter sent you over. And of course, support the community. So let's get this open. All right, guys, got it opened up. Let's see. He's another collector I love trading with. He just sends me some really awesome stuff and does it very well. So let's see. Ooh, yeah. I think I have the black one of this. Yes, I do, but a second one ain't gonna hurt. As well as the blue GT500. I do have this variation as well with the red one, but like I said, I'm glad to always have two of them just in case I want to open them, because I do have a lot of loose Mustangs that from the past that I've had over here, and of course some of my Free It Friday cars are on there as well. All right, so this is what I was really waiting for right here. Look at that. The 90s 1999 Ford Mustang in the Sheriff graphics with the number 99 up top, 99 on the rear with the chrome 5 spokes, just all black. Definitely wanted this one because I have the purple one, the white one, the Ford blue, and then the red 99 race one for the Ford Performance series. And now to go along with the blue, here's the silver 99 with the light transparent blue windows. You got the black and blue side tampos, which mirrors the opposite color right there pretty much. It's got the same 10-spoke chrome wheels. Definitely stoked to have these. So now I can increase my 99s because I did not have these variations, and these are the ones I was waiting for. So oh no, when the tape gets stuck to the box. All right, nothing tore. The box is in good shape. God, that would have been my luck just to rip off the whole back. But yeah, definitely stoked to have this. I ended up trading my Matchbox Bugatti Divo, Datsun 510 Rally, as well as the 2020 Corvette C8 for these. I'll give up almost anything in my collection. Almost. I'm just going to be very clear. I will give up almost everything in my collection to get my hands on Mustangs I don't have, because this is my main collection. This is my main pride and joy, is my Mustang collection. So there's a spot left right here where the R35 was, so I need to fill that spot. I did end up getting this Silverado, which I failed to showcase to you guys. This one was given to me by King Nut Diecast. Also check out his Instagram. He found two of these and gave me one, so definitely a huge shout out to him. I forgot to even mention this, but it is on the wall of treasures and super treasure hunts, right where it needs to be. But again, check him out. He's also posting some really awesome pictures of his diecast. He opens up all his, whereas I don't. I'll only open up some duplicates, or if it's my triples. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that quick peg hunt for the Vipers, as well as the mail call for these super clean 99 Mustangs. Let me know which one of these you liked, if you have the Porsche Carrera or not. I'm going to try to find more, that way I can do some giveaways. A huge shout out to Emery. Thanks so much for the package. Hopefully you get yours soon. I think it said Friday you'll get it. Let me know. And yeah, that's all I got, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for more videos. And until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.